and today we are here introducing this drpen M8. Here is the security label, and with this security label, this is the original drpen. Okay, original drpen M8. Okay, let's open the box. Here is a pen, drpen, very beautiful. We can adjust the needle length from 0 to 2.5, and standard the box with 2 pix 16 needle cartridges. Okay. 2 picks. Okay, and this is the adapter. Okay, and also here is the menu. Okay, here is the menu. Okay, now we put the cartridge on the pen. Okay. When you use the leaders, remember firstly take off this cap. Okay. And then we put under the pen. Okay, we can adjust length, and this button we turn it on the machine. Okay, you see. M5 total 6 speed levers. Okay, 6 picks, 6 speed levers. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn it off. Okay. Okay, this is the drpen M8. If you guys like it, welcome to order from us. Okay. Welcome to order the original drpen M8 with hot price. Thank you so much for your watching and your support. Thank you so much. Bye bye.